Hi guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have INFINIX Hot 40 Pro and I want to show you how fix the problem when your game not visible on your Google Play Store, as in my situation when you search it and we don't have it, we can't download it. Fix it, we must go back to the main menu of our smart Google Play Store, where we press on our photo on the right corner. Now we press on settings and their family and parental control, which is on right now, and we have PG3. To visible game as Mobile Legends games, Call of Duty games or something like this, we need more than PG3. To change it, we press there. Now we must enter connect pin to our parental control. And after that we can easily change it from PG3 to PG with it, maybe allow all. We press there, confirm by got it and save. We can also turn off our parental control by switch off. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games, which is visible, and we can install it. See you soon, bye!